What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. And today it is Tuesday, second day of the trading week. Hopefully we can catch a trade today. We can catch a W today because unfortunately yesterday we could not get filled by Apex and we could not enter a trade. So I'm pretty sure we got FOMC today. I think a member speaks, it's a yellow folder, and then we have PPI at 8:30 a.m. that I already passed. So we could potentially take a trade today. Well, with all that being said, let's go ahead right to the charts. US 30 finally came down to this area that I wanted to, this 1 hour gap. We're up right now, only 40 bucks. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We got a 50-point stop loss. We got a 100 tick profit, 1 or 2. We're only risking $1,000. If we lose today, there's no more trades for the rest of the day. If we win today, there's no more trades for the rest of the day. Yeah, we are moving pretty quick to the downside. We should be good though. We should be good. We're down 4. It's all right though. We are in this 4 hour gap. We keep holding. We might get stopped out here, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Oh, got a big retracement. Big retracement. That's what I like to see. Big retracement. Oh, wow. See that? So stay patient, we're gonna see. Yeah, that's it. You know, in 2 seconds, got stopped out. It's all right though. What's it called? It is though. It's okay. We already took out this liquidity. That's why I went into this trade. That's why I really wanted it. But you know, I took out this liquidity. You know, we're running back up. There might be another possible entry. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'll risk. Maybe. And nah. You know what? Stick to the rules. Only $1,000 a day. We come back tomorrow. We come back stronger. All right, so we ended up taking that L today. Unfortunate, really unfortunate, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? It happens. Tomorrow we'll come back stronger. Like I said, we only take 1 trade a day if we're already risking the whole $1,000 in that trade. That's what I did. It was really volatile today. You know, it was really like up and down choppy, but we ended up taking an L. That's pretty much it. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? We'll come back tomorrow stronger. Anyway, we have to win the day. We already got up. We already traded. We ended up taking an L, but now we gotta win the day. We gotta head to the gym, do a trade breakdown for you guys. We gotta edit this video, so it's gonna be a busy day. I am gonna try to start doing Instagram reels on what's it called, like on me trading or whatever. So if you guys please follow my Instagram account, I'll have it linked below down in the description. Anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna go see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start editing this video and I'm gonna go breakfast in me because I haven't eaten nothing. I was gonna start editing this video. I come to my trader locker, you know, to see how the market was doing. And look at it, it dumped. And apparently I was in a trade. I don't know when I was in a trade. I sold everything off right now because I don't wanna, you know, risk this. Like, it was in profit, it was 2,000 in profit. So we're up 1,300 for the day. I mean, I'll take it. I didn't know I was in a position. Now it's dumping down. Maybe I shouldn't have closed. Wow. But now it's dumping down, but I guess I'll take it. I guess we up $1,000 on the day. So besides that, I'm glad that happened, but we're gonna start editing this video. We're gonna get straight to editing, and then we're going to head to the gym right after that. Anyway, it's been a couple hours. Yo, my hair, I'm looking at it right now. It is crazy. It looks like I have an afro. I'm gonna get a haircut probably on Thursday. I'm gonna make the appointment right now. But we finished editing this video. It's been like a couple hours. We've been finished editing the video actually. So now I just took a little bit of downtime, lunch or whatever. I did what I had to do. But now we're gonna head right to the gym right now. I'm gonna get ready for the gym. We're gonna head to the gym. We gotta stay productive. We gotta stay active. So honestly, don't feel like going to the gym. Honestly, it's one of those days today. I don't feel like going to the gym at all. I don't wanna get up. I don't wanna get ready. I wanna lay in bed and I wanna scroll. But what I'm gonna do, I am gonna go to the gym and I am gonna stay productive. I'm gonna stay disciplined. Just because I don't feel like it doesn't mean I don't have to go. Okay, so as long as I'm going and as long as I'm pushing myself as much as possible, then that's fine with me. Chicken cooking under here, but while this cooks, I want to talk about, let me turn on the light, get you guys some better lighting. I wanted to talk about how you guys down here. Right here. Yes, sir. All right. I wanted to talk about how to handle losses, okay? How to handle losses. Look, today I took a loss. I'm not counting today as a win because obviously I won by accident, okay? So that's not a win in my book. Yesterday I took a L because Apex didn't fill me in and I lost a chance to have a winning day yesterday, right? So the way you handle losses is literally by walking away, okay? Simply as that, walk away. The more time you spend thinking about the loss that you took, the more time you're gonna be able to think about, let me overtrade, let me over leverage, let me full port this trade, let me see, hopefully, basically you're gonna get into a gambling habit, right? So basically just walk away. Once you place that trade, once you put stop loss, take profit. Once that trade hits your stop loss, walk away, okay? Promise you, I've been in this situation many times where I lost a trade and I said, nah, whatever. I know this trade is gonna hit, I know it, I feel it in my gut, and I get back in and I'm down another $1,000 and I'm down, hit my stop loss and I'm down another $1,000. And instead of being down 1,000 or whatever, how much you ever risk, instead of being down one trade, you're down 2 trades for the day. And that's when you start getting the habit to overtrade, over leverage. And let's say you're on a funded challenge, you're gonna bring that over to a live account challenge. Not even a live account, a funded account. So once you pass that challenge and you were trading a certain way, over risking, over leveraging, revenge trading, you're gonna pass that on to a live account by over risking, over leveraging, and revenge trading. So I just want to tell you guys, do not over risk, do not over trade, do not over leverage, do not revenge trade, just walk away. Also, if you want to be profitable faster, I'm telling you, avoid this mistake of over trading, over leveraging, and revenge trading. The faster you get over the hump of not over trading, the faster basically your journey shortens to profitability. Okay, I promise you, if you get over that hump of not over trading and sticking to your rules and doing what you said you're gonna do, the profitability journey will be way faster. With all that being said, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.